Welcome to英語 Garden's lesson on English prefixes and suffixes. Today, we'll explore how these small but powerful elements of language can significantly change the meanings of words and expand your vocabulary. Let's start with the basics. Prefixes and suffixes are types of affixes. A prefix is added to the beginning of a word, while a suffix is added to the end. They modify the meanings of the root words to which they are attached. Common prefixes include un, which means not, as in unhappy or unlock, re, meaning again, used in redo or rewrite, pre, indicating before, like in preview or prehistoric, mis for wrongly, as in misuse or misunderstand, and dis, meaning opposite of, used in dislike or disapprove. By adding prefixes to root words, we can change their meanings. For example, happy becomes unhappy, and cover transforms into discover. This alteration often leads to the opposite or a modified meaning of the original word. Similarly, suffixes like full, meaning full of, give us words like hopeful or beautiful, less, meaning without, as in careless or homeless, ness, which turns adjectives into nouns indicating a state of being, like happiness or kindness, meant, for actions or processes, used in agreement or development, and tie on, indicating an act or state, as in action or nation. Suffixes often change the word class of the root word. For instance, the verb hope becomes the adjective hopeful, and the verb care turns into the adjective careless. This change expands the ways we can use the base word in different contexts. Combining both prefixes and suffixes can lead to even more word forms. Take organize, a verb, which can become reorganization, a noun, by adding both a prefix and a suffix. Let's practice. Try adding prefixes or suffixes to these words. Happy becomes unhappy, and do transforms into redo. See how many new words you can create. And here are some example answers. How many did you get? Did you think of any others? To master prefixes and suffixes, memorize common ones and practice with different root words. Pay attention to the changes in meanings and word classes they bring about. This understanding is key to enhancing your English vocabulary. In conclusion, understanding prefixes and suffixes is crucial for expanding your English vocabulary and comprehension. These small changes to words can significantly alter their meanings and uses. For more learning materials, lessons, and resources on English learning, don't forget to visit英語 Garden's website. Enhance your English skills with our comprehensive resources. See you there.